Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel for something pretty special today. We have the introduction of the winter transfers update from the FM editor and his team. If your team strengthened in January and you want those players into Football Manager, using this database will allow you to do that. So without any further ado, let's get into where you find it, how you get it, and how you get it running in Football Manager. So then guys, before we get into things, if you think you will find this video useful and you do want to implement this database in your saves, don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more guides and how-tos like this coming every single week, guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell for notifications so you're told every time that I do upload a video just like this one. So the first thing you guys are going to need to do is open up Twitter and go to the FM Editors team page, and their handle is at the FM Editor 85, and that is obviously run by Steve and his team. Their pinned tweet as of right now is this one right here, brand new update. It's that time again, winter transfer update. If we have missed anything, please let us know, please retweet, and please enjoy. Obviously, as you can see, I've already done that, retweeted and liked the video, liked the post. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is hit this link here. It will take you to this MediaFire site. You then hit the download button. It will start to download. As you can see, your download is starting. This FMF file here will land in your downloads. Now, you don't need to do anything directly to this file. You don't need any software to open this file. So what you then need to do, guys, is you need to go into show in folder. As you can see here, it is right here in my download. So what you then need to do, guys, is right click on it. And I personally cut it. You could copy it, but why do you need 2.2 files of the same thing in your documents? So I cut it. Then the next thing you need to do, guys, is go to where your Football Manager is stored. As you can see, for PC users, it is in Documents and then Sports Interactive. If you are on Mac, it is slightly more complicated. Just go into your Finder and search for Sports Interactive. It will bring up this Sports Interactive folder. I just can't remember instantly off the top of my head exactly where the Sports Interactive folder is, but if you search it using Finder, you will find this place. So you go into Sports Interactive. As you can see here, this is where it pulls in all of my Sports Interactive folders. As you can see, I've got the editor from this year's game, the touch version of this year's game, and Football Manager 2011 as well. So you go into the folder for this game, and then as you can see, this is where you have absolutely everything for your saves, guys. So you do have everything from asking prices. I've never used this feature myself, but you've got all your editor data, game setup, game saves. This is, you can see where all your games are. Any matches that you've got saved, any training schedules, screenshots, set pieces, shortlists, skins, tactics, uploads, all sorts, guys. You can have, this is where everything is found. But the place you need to go to is into editor data. So you go into editor data, and then as you can see here, I have my own custom database that I have set up, the lockdown tournament database, which we have been using to play some of the games in the lockdown tournament. And then as you can see, I've got the level 10 database also from the amazing FM editor and his team. So then you right click here and you just click paste. As you can see, winter transfer, team winter up. God, I can't even speak today, guys. Sorry about that. The team winter transfer update 2021. So that is all you need to do in terms of the folders, from the download to getting it ready and primed to go into your game. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is open up Football Manager, and that is what I've done here. So when you go to start a new game, you will click start a new game. You hit the career button here, then this is where the database drop down comes in. So this is in the top right hand corner of the screen, guys. So then you go onto here, and this is where all those folders that were just in files that were in that folder do appear. So as you can see here, I've got my own custom database, the lockdown tournament database, the winter transfer update, and obviously the English level 10 update. So if you just want the winter transfer update, just select this one here, you hit that confirm button, and then you will be able to go into the advanced setup, guys, and set up your game as you normally would. I'm just going to go in here super quick and take a look at some of the transfers just to show you guys what has been done, and I'll be back to show you that in just a few seconds. Okay then guys, so the game has loaded, our database has loaded in, and this is what we have. I'm just going to run through just a couple of the changes so you can kind of get a flavor as to what has happened, but I will just start this by saying every winter transfer that has happened in world football has happened and has been implemented in this database by Steve and his amazing team. Obviously, I've started things off here at Arsenal, and as you can see, Martin Ødegaard is a Arsenal player. Obviously, you can see he is currently on loan from Real Madrid, but this solves a very interesting issue in the Arsenal team. If you were to play, for instance, a 4-2-3-1, I think Martin Ødegaard brings a little bit more to the table than Mesut Ozil, who is a player who we will show in a split second. You can also see players like Matt Ryan have also come into the club, having made his debut the other week, but obviously going the other way, players like Maitland-Niles are now on loan at West Bromwich Albion. If we go into the Premier League, obviously all the teams have been covered. Some of the interesting ones for me, if we go over to Manchester United, they obviously have Amad Diallo, a very, very good prospect, obviously joining from Atalanta. He is at the club, he is at Manchester United, and this will be one of the most prolific players, I think, in Football Manager moving forward using this database. Obviously, some of the other clubs, if you're not necessarily looking for one of these title challenging ones, although saying that, more recently West Ham was sort of getting themselves into that picture, aren't they? If you want to take over from David Moyes, as you can see, Jesse Lingard is at the club, but not only is Jesse Lingard there, Benrahma's also there, obviously coming in from Brentford. So, and just one final one, Mesut Ozil. Little Mesut Ozil, as you can see, is now a Fenerbahce player. Obviously, this is, as I said, every single transfer that has happened in world football has happened in this database, guys. I cannot recommend it enough. But that is kind of where I'm going to leave it there. If you guys do have any issues or any comments about this, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you are going to download this database and use it for your save. If you have enjoyed today's video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for daily Football Manager content. But that is where I'm going to leave things now. Take care and have a good rest of your day.